Remove all packaging material and tape from the exterior of the printer. Open the front cover. Remove the foam cushion and packaging material from inside the printer. Carefully pull to remove the toner cartridge from the printer. Remove the label and the protective cap from the cartridge. Gently rock the cartridge side to side, about 5 or 6 times to distribute the toner. Insert the cartridge into the printer and close the front cover. Open the paper input tray. Load paper into the tray and adjust the paper guides to rest against the edges of the stack. Close the paper tray. Connect the power cord to the rear of the printer and then plug the other end into a power outlet. HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn on the printer. To install the printer software, scan the QR code on the setup guide or go to 123.hp.com. Enter your printer model and select Next. Select the option to download the HP Easy Start software. Once you have downloaded the software, open the file. On the welcome screen, select Next. Read through and accept the terms and conditions. Then select Next. On the printer connection type screen, choose your connection method. If you are connecting your printer to your computer with a USB cable, connect the cable to your printer and to your computer. Then, in HP Easy Start, select USB connection. If you are connecting your printer to your computer with an Ethernet cable, connect the cable to your printer and to your computer. Then, in HP Easy Start, select Network Connection. If you are connecting your printer to your computer over a Wi-Fi connection, you do not need to connect any cables, simply select Wireless Network Connection. After choosing your connection type, select Next. This video will proceed with a wireless network connection. There are 2 options for setting up your printer with Wi-Fi. You can select using a direct wireless connection and then follow the prompts to finish the setup process. You can also select using a USB cable. This method allows you to connect a USB cable to finish the software setup and pair with the wireless network. This video will proceed with the USB setup process. Connect a USB cable to the printer and then to your computer. Select Next. Select your network and select Next. Enter the network password and select Next. The printer copies installation files. Once this is done, select Next. Once the wireless network setup is complete, you can disconnect the USB cable from the printer and the computer. Then select Next. Select the software to install and select Next. The software installs. Once it is done, select Next. On the setup completed screen, select Finish. You are now ready to print.